Welcome to Weldtech Automations, manufacturer and supplier of welding machines and equipment. The company was incorporated in 2013 at Nagpur. Our international quality standard and client-centric approach make us the first choice of our clients. We are backed by maximum customer satisfaction and reasonable prices. Weldtech Limited and Metal Fab High-Tech Industries are some of our esteemed clients. We offer a wide array of welding automation systems, SPM welding, and welding machines. Our inverter-based welding machines are setting a benchmark in the market. Argon and MIG welding machines offered by us are extremely reliable. Our welding equipment are available at industry-leading prices. We also provide welding rectifiers and transformers that are best in the industry. Along with that, we offer welding equipment for road construction that are a class apart. For more information, log on at www.weldtechautomations.com.